Who should buy home robots in 2026? Let's be honest. Look at this horizon. It's quiet, calm. But in the world of AI technology, 2025 feels very different. Many people describe it as a wave, even a tsunami, of AI entering our homes. Robots folding laundry, robots making coffee, robots becoming part of the family. Before we go any further, let me slow this down. Because the most important question is not, can they build it? The real question is, should you buy it? Over the years, I've learned something important. The biggest mistake people make with technology is not buying the wrong product. It's buying the right product too early. Today is not about stopping innovation. It's about helping you decide when innovation truly belongs in your home. In 2025, AI hardware became incredibly visible. Everywhere you look, there are videos of humanoid robots and robotic dogs. They walk, they talk, they climb stairs, they dance. They look like the future, packaged in a box. But let me ask you something quiet. Are these robots truly living with families? Or are they mostly living inside videos? If you are part of a typical household, I want to be very clear. In 2026, most families do not need to rush and buy a home robot. Not because robots are useless, but because the technology is still immature. The cost is not only financial. It is emotional cost, attention cost, maintenance cost. Many humanoid robots today work well for demonstration and experience, not for daily living. They are impressive at events and malls. They are excellent at creating a sense of the future. But in 2026, most of them are still visitors. They are rented, experience-driven moments, not permanent members of a household. AI will enter homes, but not in the way most people imagine. The real winners in 2026 are not large AI machines. They are quiet ones. AI glasses, rings, wearable health devices, AI toys. They are light, low intrusion. They do not demand that your life change for them. Now let's be precise. There are people who absolutely should buy robots in 2026. First, technology pioneers. If you enjoy being early, even when things are imperfect, robots are for you. You are not just a customer. You are part of evolution. Second, specific problem solvers. Robots that mow lawns, clean pools, clear snow. These are not companions. They are tools. If a machine saves you hours every week, the judgment is simple. Human approved. For families with children, the standard must be higher. Parents are not looking for smarter. They are looking for safer. AI toys are not just electronics. They are value-based products. If a device helps learning without addiction, it deserves consideration. If it replaces attention rather than supports it, pause. Before spending thousands on a robot, ask yourself 3 questions. Does this actually help me live better, not just faster? Does it reduce confusion or increase dependence? Does it respect my dignity and my ability to choose? 2026 is not the year robots take over our homes. It is the year humans decide what kind of future belongs inside them. We do not stop you from embracing the future. We help you choose how to enter it. AI can calculate, but the final decision will always belong to you. See you in the next video.